The Tokyo Auto Salon 2024 is just around the corner, and one build that has already captured the automotive world's attention is Liberty Walk's widebody Lamborghini Miura. This bold transformation of the iconic Miura raises the question, is this a genius reinvention of a classic, or has Liberty Walk crossed a line, making a sacrilegious modification to one of the most revered supercars of all time? For those unfamiliar with Liberty Walk, the Japanese tuning company has built a reputation for pushing the boundaries of car customization, particularly with its LB Silhouette Works body kits. Known for their aggressive, widebody designs, Liberty Walk has modified high-performance cars like the Ferrari F40, Lamborghini Countach, and Nissan GT-R into attention-grabbing, extreme machines. These builds have sparked both admiration and criticism, with purists sometimes questioning whether these modifications disrespect the heritage of such legendary cars. After transforming the Ferrari F40 and Lamborghini Countach, Liberty Walk now focuses its energy on the Lamborghini Miura, a car many consider the pinnacle of Italian automotive design. With its curvaceous body, mid-engine layout, and breathtaking proportions, the Miura is a symbol of automotive beauty. But can it survive Liberty Walk's signature widebody treatment? The result of this modification is both stunning and controversial. The LB Silhouette Works GT kit gives the Miura a much more aggressive stance, with modifications to almost every exterior panel. The front features a dramatic splitter, paired with sharp canards, which gives the Miura an almost predatory look. Wide front fenders, deep dish wheels, and an overall muscular appearance push the Miura into a more extreme direction. While this enhances the car's aggressive presence, some enthusiasts may argue it detracts from the Miura's timeless elegance. Moving to the sides, Liberty Walk's aerodynamic side skirts continue the bold styling, and tiny motorsport-inspired side mirrors replace the original ones. Though functional, this change risks losing the Miura's classic charm. At the rear, the transformation becomes even more extreme. The rear clamshell is reworked with flared arches and a massive diffuser, giving the car a track-inspired look. Of course, no Liberty Walk creation is complete without a massive rear wing. The Miura now sports a towering wing with uprights extending from the rear bumper, further intensifying its aggressive visual appeal. Additionally, it's rumored that the car has been lowered on an air suspension system, although this will be confirmed at the Tokyo Auto Salon. Modifying a classic like the Miura will always spark debate. For some, transforming such a legendary car into a widebody street machine may feel like a betrayal of its pure, original form. Others will see it as a bold, modern reimagining, a way to push the limits of design and engineering. Regardless of opinion, one thing is clear: Liberty Walk is ensuring the Miura becomes a focal point of conversation at the Tokyo Auto Salon 2024. Whether you view it as sacrilege or a brilliant innovation, Liberty Walk's daring work is guaranteed to keep the automotive world buzzing and questioning the limits of customization.